is Abhinavika Ravivarman, your mindfulness coach, and again back with the next unboxing video. This is our October month box, and interesting thing about October is we have Dashara, so there's a lot of things that I can tell you that you will love from this box because this is like a Dashara special, and obviously the next 2 months, which is November, is going to be a Diwali special box. A lot of interesting goodies in the November box. At the same time, our December and January, all are festive boxes that's going to be coming up. So let's unbox this and see what we have. Okay, so the first thing is my letter to you, and in this I have a specific coaching topic. Now this month it's all about understanding yourself deeply. The real me, that's a workshop that I run, and I put some aspects of that into this because who you really are is something that's a question many people ask themselves. Like they do many things, but really asking that question brings you and anchors you back to your purpose of life. So this worksheet and this particular coaching topic for this month is on that. Okay, and so we have a nice a knit blouse. So this is like an adjustable blouse you could wear with, mix and match it with any sari, a green, yellow, multicolor. This will go with blue, this will go with many saris. So do enjoy your Dashara by wearing some, pull out some interesting saris from your cupboard and try and wear them. So we thought we'll give you just to excite you, we thought we'll give you a blouse piece there. Okay, to eat we have these amla candies. Now these are chatpata amla candies, so this is the sweet and chatpata kind of a thing. The good thing about this is these are organically grown amlas, and we source it from one of the vendors who does a lot of organic products, and this is one of his best-selling products, so we thought you should try this. And I'm sure right now you're also starting to go back to work or going outside, so to increase your immunity, and we thought why not some vitamin C. Okay, my favorite, because I practice mindfulness, and for me in my house, if you see everywhere there is something about Buddha that I have. It's because Dashara for us in South, it's the Golu time where we buy one new a doll which we add to our, we do something called Golu, where we have these stairs and we have a lot of these deities, and then we run a 10-day celebration with that, and every year we add a new one just to add just to bring up the collection and add new perspective to our Golu this thing. So we thought giving you an inspiration towards mindfulness, giving you an inspiration towards keeping the Golu itself, because it's one really traditional thing that we've been following for many years, and we wanted to do something towards that. So we thought of giving you this nice beautiful Buddha, and definitely is going to be a reminder for you to keep practicing mindfulness and being with yourself and being present. So it also connects to the purpose of our existence, right? So that we thought that would be very apt. And I like the color. I hope, and in all the boxes, most of the boxes, is the same blue color we've put, and 2 different shades of blue. But I love this color, unusual color for a Buddha. And okay. Now you guys must have been wondering, suddenly how did I grow such nails, right? In the last few videos you didn't see my nails so big. So this is obviously fake nails, and this month we also wanted to excite you with some fake nails. So in this box we have 20 different size nails for you. There is also the nail glue, okay, and we have a small nail polish remover, and also something which you can use once to clean up your glue once you remove the nails off. And we thought why not give some new look to the festive season. Okay, the next is Okay, now again part of Dashara special, or part of our Dashara, we usually have these rangolis made around, and we have lots of color. And for people who find it difficult to sit and make big rangolis, these are the easy DIY rangoli. So it already has a ready-made design in it, and all you have to do is put the color in this, and then you can really be very, very creative with this. You could just do first round of white and then add some more with probably another color slightly next to it. You can go crazy with the kind of things that you can do with it. But if you want to do a small design near your attic or somewhere near the God space, we thought, okay, we'll give you a small design of this one. And I'm also going to show you how this looks, because in this we didn't want you to go running around and looking for the color as well. So we have a small yellow color which is more towards prosperity and all of it. So in this we have mixed turmeric, antiseptic, so it's good that way. So this has a mixture of turmeric, rice powder, and a little bit of the white base. So this is also given to you, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's just do this swastik, and I have this black paper to show you. So all you have to do is just keep it down and put the color like this. Make sure that it falls down from the hole. And that's it. There you have. We'll also try the other design. And all you can do is just pat it back, wipe this clean, and you're done. Let's also try. You can get your kids to do this, because they'll also find it fun. They'll keep making color everywhere. You could use this. You can even buy your own rangoli colors and use it. If you see this, I just wanted to show it to you in a black paper so that you can make out a nice instant rangoli or something quick that you want to do during this festive season. So we wanted to cover that for you. This is here. Okay. And also another interesting thing that we wanted to add this time is, so this is an agarbatti stand and this small doop stick stand. But the reason why we are giving you this stand is we are giving you these as well. So now these are the doop sticks, and okay, we also have the agarbatti here. Now the beauty about these are these agarbattis and these doop sticks are made from recycled flower waste, which has come from temples. So we have an NGO where and it's called, the project is called Earth Project. So what we do here is we have women in few villages who support, and we wanted to support them. So we thought in this festive season, why not give what they are making. The whole idea behind this is to one is obviously the environment, because a lot of these flowers get dumped in many places, and these are, imagine, put on the god, and we definitely wanted to do something about it. So we have been doing this project for some time, and we are bringing these, and the next thing is obviously it's a livelihood for these women, and they take this really to their heart, and they make beautiful different fragment agarbattis and doop sticks. So this festive season, why not start with something, or use something which is going to support women on one side and also support the environment. So that was the reason we brought this. And also reiterating that this box, a lot of which goes into this box is not just from the stores, it's also thought through and bought from people whom we want to support. Most of the products that we are picking out here are done by women and supporting small industries. Okay, so this is our last DIY, and this month's DIY is also another fun DIY like every month. So we are going to be making, so we've given you 2 white kerchiefs here, and what you're going to be doing is, we have a lot of these nice stands. So we have given you about few stands, and we also have 2 fabric colors in each box. you can be as creative as possible, mix them up, and create. I'm going to show you all the designs. So look at these nice cute designs. Oh, this is like a nice star, some flower, and each box has different designs. So this is something that you can watch in our DIY video to know more about it and to see how you can actually make your own nice small kerchief. Now we have given you kerchiefs because this is easy to make and try, but once you really get the hang of it, you can use these stamps in notebooks, you can use it in buy a big dupatta, buy some more colors if you feel like, and use these stamps and create something for yourself. You can even put it on t-shirts. I tried this on some t-shirt and it looked really nice. So I just put these designs just around the neck in a plain colored one. I used an opposite color and it actually came out well. So this is the DIY kit for this month. So hopefully you like this kit as well. So this is Dasara box, a Dasara special with a lot of goodies related to that, related to the festivities. Now the next month, the November month box is going to be even more exciting. A lot of festive stuff and a lot of stuff for you. So look forward to the box and subscribe to more and more boxes, because on one side you're also going to be supporting other women on one side. And yeah, see you soon.